Good morning, it's morning here. I'm not used to being up this early, but I have to go to work and I wanted to do this. I wanted to get this unboxed. I was in IKEA the other day, or IKEA, and I saw some boxes which I thought might be good for cassettes and mini discs. And here they are. This is actually two sets, but they're good for mini discs, but unfortunately they're not so good for cassettes, because it's got a sort of a wedge shape part there and the cassette doesn't go all the way down. But I had to look up how big a cassette was and measure it with one of their paper tape measures. But these are quite good for mini discs. You can get about 15 mini discs, 14 mini discs in there. There's a little divider there, which I usually put the one that I'm playing in, and I can keep a few more there. But this is two sets. They come with one of these and one of these, sort of put in there like that and sealed up. And I'll show you the label so you can get some if you want. They're not really suitable for cassettes. There we go. So that's what you're looking for. Designed by Willie Chong. Well, anyway, when I was there, I thought I didn't have the measurements for how big the mini disc slip cases are, and that was hard to find online. And I decided that I was going to have an upgrade to my everyday carry. Now, my everyday carry is just a wallet normally, pretty slim. Got a few bits and pieces in there, some cash in there, and a couple of bits like toothpick and what have you. But as you know, I'm interested in gadgets. Let's just take an aside here. I bought some more of these dividers, because I needed some more dividers for my mini disc storage. They're just as tiny little bit bigger, or about the same size as a slipcase in that way. But they're quite expensive. I'll put a link to these in the description box below. You can get those on Amazon. And also you can get these on Amazon as well. So these were an idea. I can't remember the YouTuber's name, but I'm going to put a link to his video in the description box. And what these are designed to go on the back of your case. They've got a self-adhesive pad. They go on the back of your phone case, and they're little stretchy neoprene type things. And what he did was they come in packs of 3. They're very cheap, less than a £5. There's a link to these as well. And I'll put a link to his video, so go watch his video. I don't think he's got any affiliate links on his. But he took the adhesive backing off, stuck 2 together, and that gives him a super slim wallet, which he can fill up with all his stuff. But what I've also these are expensive. They're not that expensive. I can't talk about the prices, because when you're using affiliate links, you can't put prices in the affiliate link. But that's what's on it. You can't put prices in the part where the affiliate link is, because Amazon keeps changing their prices, of course. They have surge pricing, so if things are selling well, they put the price up, and things aren't selling well, so they put the price down. So of course, if you talk about prices and then lots of people go to buy it, they're disappointed that Amazon has put it up. So, but this was the one I thought would suit me best, and if I can get it out of their horrible packaging, I'll explain why. Back in a bit. The funny thing is, you need the tools in the toolkit to get the thing out of its box. There we go. So what I wanted was something that had a ruler on it, which I could put in one of these. Hopefully it fits. Is it going to go in there? Yes, it does. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but it does fit. So yeah, credit card size, thickness of a couple of credit cards, and it's got a ruler in there as well. It's got all the normal stuff. I've never had one of these before. Oh, it's quite stiff. There we go. Got a knife. God, it's so stiff I can't get them out. Pair of scissors. And I'm going to, a couple of screwdrivers. So stiff I can't get them out. These screwdrivers are going to be crap, to be honest, but I broke my nail, but I don't think it's got a nail file in there. Anyway, I'm going to do a separate video on this. It's got also a pair of tweezers and a tiny little pen. So what I'll be able to do is stick two of these together, two of these things together. I can keep that in there, and I'm going to put a label on here with the sizes of Minidisc boxes and cassette boxes. And then when I'm in a shop and I see some storage which might be suitable for Minidisc boxes, excuse me. Oh, that's interesting. So a Minidisc slipcase is almost as wide as a credit card. That's one way of remembering. But yeah, I can actually measure it up and make sure the storage is going to be suitable for what I need. I'll do the same with cassettes as well. So I'm very happy with that. And it's got a tiny little magnifying glass, which what I'm planning to do is a just one EDC, everyday carry video. I've been quite into those videos on YouTube at the moment. But people take all sorts of random stuff with them when they go out. And I don't see, you know, why would you need like a fisheye remover or something when you're out? All I need is my headphones and my phone. I can pay on that. Don't need a credit card or anything. So that must come out at some point. But that is it for today. So I've got to put all this together, get my wallet sorted out, and then I'm off to a remote office for work for today. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. As I may have already said, that's the end of this video. This is just giving you a chance to click pause and give me a thumbs up on this video if you liked it. Or you can click on the little green Android and subscribe to the channel. Click on the red P and go visit my Patreon page. Or you can click on the box and see a video that YouTube thinks you might like. Or click on the playlist and go to a playlist of videos similar to the one you just watched. Thanks very much.